What does hearing mean to you? To me, it means pleasure. Pleasure of listening to my great music collection and also hearing my kids playing outside.
As an actress, when you are doing a television show, you need to hear your fellow actors giving you cues. So hearing is important.
Hearing loss is hereditary in the Mole family, unfortunately, and my kids are already saying things to me like, "Dad, you're going deaf."
You can test your hearing at home. There is an app, hearZA, that you get for free on an app store. I know people will do anything if it's for free.
So here goes, I'm going to test my hearing first, prove my kids wrong. Let's hope.
Very simple. Press start.
And now a woman is talking in my ears. So she's giving me 3 numbers.
2, 8, 4.
And then I type in the numbers on this phone and I say submit. Submit is not something I do, but it's on this phone. So I'm just going to press it.
1, 4, 8. Submit.
2, 5, 6.
Another number, submit.
7, 0, 2.
Okay, whatever this is anybody's guess. She gave me 3 numbers. It's not ending, but it's getting worse and worse because it's a test. Okay, submit.
Oh shoot, okay, I didn't hear that. Oh, no. I didn't hear that at all. Let's take a guess. 1, 4, 7. Submit, no. Gotta hear it or not. Well, not bad. So in a few short moments, I've just been given some feedback on whether my hearing is normal or not. And it turns out, kids, your score indicates your dad has normal hearing. In fact, not just normal, 83, which is like, I guess, a cum laude for hearing.
And it's my score. It says excellent. I presume that if you're worse than me, it will tell you to get help. Because if you press continue, it says find your closest hearing healthcare provider.
Very easy to use. You then continue, and what you can do now is you can tag your friends and share your results with your friends on social media.
My hearing is fine, and I'm going to tell my friends, absolutely. Read it and weep, guys. See if you can beat 83. That's great. Well, there you go. It's a free app. It's free to download and test your hearing in a few moments. What more could you ask for? Here's it. Download the app and find out if you have got something to say to your kids when they say, "Dad, you're going deaf."